Good morning. This is Professor Shaw signing on the concept of actually final stage of Unit 1, that is working with Windows operating system. What is that? We're working with Windows operating system. Before starting the class, I'm just again I'm requesting you, please subscribe the channel to your friends and classmates and other staff members. So no fee for you to pay for it. So be prepare and be study with yourself and get better score in the examination point of view. So for your future it will be very good career for you actually. So that's what I want to say. Okay, we'll start the class now. Okay, when working with Windows operating system. So what is Windows operating system? It is an operating system. It is better than disk operating system, old operating systems. So operating system does what actually? That's what we are going to study. Operating system is a system software. So that every know you already you taught in the class, the previous classes. So it has got four businesses: memory management, processor management, device management, file management, and security file and security management. And the next is control overall system. So how many managements are there? Memory management, processor management, device management, file management, security and control. So when you saw a picture, how the mechanism is, this is your user program, and this is the CPU hardware. Between the hardware and user, system software will be there. For example is operating system. This is the user program, your application program. This is the hardware. Between the system software available, that is called operating system. So now what you are telling? So operating system is a system software. So it has got four businesses: memory management, processor management, device and file management. In that, user and system software, user is the inputter, and system software is the media between user and hardware to communicate and get the output. Understood or not? Okay, now second one, introduction to Windows operating system. Do you know very well what is Windows operating system? So that's what is the flavor of Windows operating system? Graphical user interface. So what is graphical user interface? So no need of typing the command. You see the picture, you go and click it, automatically it will do the job. That's called graphical user interface. Next one is multitasking. So what is multitasking? More than one task at a time it does. How's one foreground, another one is background. Function, access application, word process, etc. Load any new program on the computer. Any program you can load on the computer. Okay. Manage the hardware, file management. So this is quite common. Functions of operating systems is this. So no, we are not understanding that. Okay, no, nothing to worry. Memory management, processor management, device 4.0 is a function of operating system, Windows operating system. Then various versions. Version must come for the era, okay or not? So versions, Windows, this is the version, this is the year. Windows 1.x is 1985, it was launched. Windows 2.x is 1987, it was launched. Windows 3.x is 1992, it was launched. Windows 95 and 1995, it was launched. So only this much window versions are there? No. We have got so many versions. That's what we are going to cover today. That is Windows 98 is 98, it was launched. Windows NT means networking. Windows 2000 means Windows Me means millennium. 2000, Windows 2000 is 2000, and Windows XP means extended professional 2001. Windows Vista is 2006. Then Windows 7 is 2009. Windows 8 is 2012. Windows 10 is 2015, and still more it is there. A very important question of versions of Windows. So that's what I want to say. I think that's all. So we have come across some 10 to 12 versions. We have come across in the Windows operating system. So it plays a vital role over there. Okay, not okay. Now comes mouse action. So what is mouse? Input device need not be a keyboard. You can have a mouse also to locate the position and other things. That's what mouse action does. Point to an item. Fast point. Click it, right click it, double click it, drag and drop. These are the actions mouse will do. Mouse will be having like this shape, right hand, but we can right click, double click, click. So these are the operations it does of mouse. Mouse in the bottom there will be a ball will be there. There will be x-axis and y-axis in the screen. So when you rotate the ball, the screen will locate the position of x and y-axis. So now Windows desktop, start button, taskbar. Desktop is what the basic first screen comes now, that is called desktop. Start button, taskbar. Icons. So what is icons? Small programs, small folders like, okay. So how? Standard icon, disk drive icon, shortcut icon. Standard icon means what, sir? My computer, document, recycle bin. In the Windows available now, that is called actually standard icon. So what about the disk drive icon? Hard drive, CD-ROM, pen drive. So now, mouse action I told you. Then I told you your desktop means what? Then I told you icon means what? Standard icon means what? Derived icon is distributed disk drive icon is what? Shortcut icon is what? So now you know a little bit. Next comes window. Window means what? There will be a big one square that is called window. Application window. Windows is resized. So what is the use? So when you got a picture, bigger picture is there. You want to fix one more small picture. You have to reduce the size, bigger size to small one. That is called Windows resized. How the mechanism is? Windows size will be multiplied. Windows minimized means Windows size will be divided. So what are the operations that we got? Maximization, minimization, overlap. Maximize means multiply by some constant. Minimize means divide by constant. Overlap. Next, document window. Document window quite common. Elements of window. What are the elements of window? First is title bar. Title bar means title button. Menu bar means what are the jobs are there. The title bar will give the button for it. Workspace, okay. Scroll bar means okay. Corner and border. So this thing we are not understanding, sir. Could you give an example? Surely I'll teach you. So just listen. So what happens was actually when you talk about a picture of window, this is the thing. This is the first one is the title bar. Second one is the menu bar. This is the application program window. This is the workspace, and this is the scroll bar. This is horizontal bar. This is the border. Understood or not? So I got title bar, menu bar, and then workspace, scroll bar, horizontal bar, and other things, border and other things. Next, first question to be launched. Start menu means what? Once you warm up the system, I mean to say boot the system, start menu will come. Lower left hand corner is start button. Taskbar means what? At bottom of the screen, a bar is a taskbar will be there. Next, computer icon. So now I think you can easily say about what is the window is. Okay. Now the class starts with what are the programs you are going to write. What are the things are going on that we will analyze today. Starting and closing application. How to start the application of a window? Start button in the leftmost bottom. Then if you want to quit, window has come, quit means click the close button in the upper right corner of the application. Start means in this place, end close means in this place. Both are sitting in the diagonal. Sir, if you say about file, how it is, so you open the window, there will be a file menu bar will be there. Exit if you use over. File close means closed down. Managing files and folders. How to manage the files and folders? Folder means actually directory, contains so many files. Create files and folders. How to create folder? Method 1. Go to menu bar, drag the file, new will come folder. Understood? Another folder created. Second type method, in desktop, right click the button, new will come folder. Two methods. One is going to menu bar and drive. Second one is in desktop, right click the button. Right click means what? Mouse right click. So you understood or not? So still what is there? That also you will see. Creating files. How to create a file actually? It is an inbuilt word processor application in Windows. So how to create a file? WordPad inbuilt word processor application. How to create a file? Start. You go to the leftmost place. This is what leftmost place, and then press the start button. All programs will come. In that accessories you access from that WordPad or a run type of word. Click OK. These are the clicks flow should be there. First start button, all program, accessories, WordPad, run and other things. So other method is file means created. Now you have to save now. So you go to file menu, save will come or control yes. Both are same. File menu save is one method, another one is control yes. Next, finding the files and folders. How to search the box on the start menu. How to find the file and folders. It's navigating the file. I mean, it's searching the file, searching the folder. Step 1, click start button. Step 2, search box appears at the bottom of the start menu. Bottom of the menu is search this thing. So searching will be there. You can search the searching files and folders using computer icon. How to search? Click computer icon or start menu. Click it. Search box appears at the top of the right of the corner. Type the name of the file and folder. Same thing. Now another step. There is the existing file. How to open? You got a file, existing file. I want to correct the errors. How to open that? Opening an existing file or folders. Renaming files or folder. How? Method 1. File. This is the file. Okay. So rename it. Type the new name. That is called as method 1. File. Go to file. Rename option will be there. Type the rename. Name the new name. Method 2. Select the file you wish to rename. Click the right mouse. So using mouse also we can select and click the right mouse button. Pop up the rename. Type the new name. Try, struggle in the exam. Okay. Select the file, folder you wish to rename. Method 3. Okay, it's a little bit we studied, sir. Still more it is there? Yes. Press F2. Type new name. Press Enter. Okay, quite common. Okay, now rename we studied, creating we studied. Now moving or copying files and folders. Moving and copying file. Method 1. Cut and paste. You cut the particular place and paste it in somewhere else. Edit, go to edit menu, cut it, control X. Otherwise, right click, cut from pop-up menu. Both mechanisms. For moving, how it is moving means what? I got a file in ABC directory. It has to go to DEF directory. So this is what moving. Edit, paste or control V. Right click. It's easy for you to study now. Cut and paste mechanism. And one more thing, drag and drop. Drag and drop means what? You got icon here. I want to bring it to the here. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. So how the mechanism is copying file and folder. First copy. How the copying is? Go to edit menu, copy it or control C. Right click, copy, edit, paste. Method 2, drag and drop means what? If you want to select the multiple files or folder, use control click. Drag and drop. It comes under purely practical approach. You cannot just study as memorizing the commands and everything. It comes purely under the practice. Copying files. Copy from folder to removable disk. Copying files from folder to removable pen drive. Copy the file to pen drive. That's what he's saying, nothing else. Okay. So copy and paste. How the mechanism is? First copy and paste. Send to folder name. The device name. Pen drive G1. Gone. Copy and paste. Start computer. Double click. Select and search. Now you studied or not? Now deleting files and folders is another step. So you go to file menu and delete it. It's called deleting the. Now we are going towards the final step. It's called creating shortcut on the desktop. Shut down and log off. Creating a shortcut means what on the desktop? Shortcut means suppose if I want to press help, there is a create of this thing. If I press F1, shortcut key. That is called creating shortcut. Shut down, you know very well. Okay, log off also. So now Today now we have come across not only one or two examples. I told you what is operating system, what is Windows does, what are the versions of Windows. Then I told you practically how the command is, and what is a window, how to minimize and close and other things. Vertical bar, scroll bar, and border, what of it also you studied. Then I migrated towards the topic of actually still more about it. Okay, what is that actually? I can say that is Windows operating system. Windows operating system says about this concept. Then we came across copying file, renaming a file, delete a file, open a file, close a file, and other things. Drag and drop by mouse. So I think now slowly we are closing the first unit. We are telling goodbye to first unit. So now the time for sign off. So be prepare and come to the next class for unit 2. So regarding the algorithm and point of view, so this is before closing our first unit, again I'm requesting you, you give the feedback of mine to the my email id, or otherwise you can send it to my phone also, SMS it or WhatsApp it. I'll give the replica punctiliously. So, and apart from these things, I want one thing actually, I want to say, be prompt to study about the concept. From that only you can come across. Okay, this is Professor Shaw signing off. Thank you.